The 2021 Mercedes-AMG E53 4MATIC Plus. The 2021 Mercedes-AMG E53 is a facelifted version of the performance sedan that sits between the regular E-Class and the AMG E63. The sedan that replaced the old AMG E43 arrived less than a couple of years ago, but Mercedes-Benz decided to upgrade it alongside the standard E-Class. The facelift adds restyled front and rear sections and some new tech, but the drivetrain remains unchanged. The AMG E53 draws juice from the same 3.0-liter inline-six found in the outgoing model. The turbocharged, AMG-tuned engine cranks out 429 horsepower and 382 pound-feet of torque. Just line in the old model, the inline-six mates to an EQ boost starter alternator system that adds an extra 21 horses and 184 pound-feet of twist. This means that, in certain scenarios, it boasts an impressive 458 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of twist. The EQ boost system also helps reduce fuel consumption and reduces turbo lag. Design changes are mild except for the headlamps and taillights. The former are similar to the GLE SUV, while the latter are inspired by the CLS 4-door coupe.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.